Welcome back to Cooking with Bruce. Today we're gonna make something that's really easy, dynamic, elegant, delicious, and good at all meals. How to make a cheese omelet. I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to make a cheese omelet, and I can't wait to show you guys how to do this stuff. Today's ingredients, we have 3 large eggs, butter, cheese, any cheese works, and of course, eggs. Hot sauce is a beautiful thing, salt and pepper. Making this stuff is pretty easy to do. It's a technique. Now I've got a skillet that's heating up right now. Have it on an 8 out of 10. I'm just gonna take these eggs, we're gonna mix them up with a fork. Three eggs, pour the eggs into the skillet. We're getting hot, we got a bubble. What we're gonna do is push the eggs to the middle. You can see here that egg is getting replaced underneath the egg. And all we're doing is just exposing more and more egg. And it's gonna get pretty thick. You can see how fast this is already starting to go. So we're almost done. So we have a little bit of liquid here, starting to get kind of solid though. Any cheese works with this technique, it doesn't really matter. Bam, cheese. Any kind of filling works, today we're gonna be doing cheese. It's real simple. Just give this a flip. And then rotate it over itself. Boom. It's not seasoned at all, so we need to add salt, black pepper, our home fermented hot sauce. So it takes about 3 minutes to make an omelet. It's full of cheese, salt, pepper, a little bit of hot sauce. Now let's see how this tastes. Oh, nice, tender. The hot sauce. Guys, this is an easy thing to do. Very quick, very easy, complete protein meal at any time of day. And seriously, if you guys are gonna make this stuff, send me a picture. And we'll see you at another show, Cooking with Bruce. Like and comment. And while you're at it, subscribe.